Today we're in famous Taksim Square, where we're gonna go check out all the food it has to offer. You know, I'm still fasting. We still got about another 3.5 hours of left before we break our fast, so this will be a good idea to show you all the foods they have available without eating it, just smelling it, how awesome they are. Hi guys, my name is Ahmet. Let's go check out Taksim Square. So this place right here with the white tents, that's called Kızılay, which is an organization. They draw blood, non-profit blood drive. You'll see them a lot in popular areas in Istanbul, and they'll literally take blood for anybody that walks in, wants to donate it. I've even seen them in front of a club at like midnight, no joke. And that was in Izmir. The Taksim Square statue with the founder Atatürk, and then the new mosque that's opened recently in the last couple of years. This was the controversial park here where they had a lot of demonstrations. They tore the mosque and park down and built a new one. So anywhere in Istanbul you see the letter M right there, that's the metro. That's the underground and above ground combination metro. So that's the public transportation. It'll pretty much take you anywhere in Turkey. So I'm gonna take you to my favorite doner place slash hamburger. They call it Sula hamburger, which is water hamburger. The water is cooked with water steam. So all the steam that comes from the water is what is cooked. So you'll see right there, it's called wet burger with the orange, wet burger slash Islak burger. It is messy, it is not easily eatable, but it's really, really good. This is the entrance to Taksim Square right here. This right here is the French Embassy Consulate in Istanbul. And this is the famous Taksim Street, where we'll go all the way down and show you all the foods and shopping they have to offer. This is Simit Saray, another bakery, breakfast store. They had this in New York City. Very, very good. Right next to it is what you have, lokantası. Anytime you see that word lokantası, that is home cooking. Chicken, beef, potatoes, all kinds of food over there. You even got fish, real fish. You got all kinds of rice. This is good food. This is what we're gonna eat at Sultan later on tonight. All right, let's continue. Let's see what else we got. This thing is old, baby. And this is pretty unusual for people to hang in the back. It's a trick in Turkey with ice cream. They're known for this. They play a game with the little ones. Well, really a lot of people. There you go, she got her ice cream. MADO, that's another chain, famous chain in Turkey. You see them everywhere. they'll do, it's like a Starbucks and Cold Stone ice cream. A baklava store got married. You'll see a lot of baklava here, a lot of coffee, a lot of dessert. I see my wife in there already. I did not know she was here. All right, let's continue. More shopping stores. In a second, we'll get to a place where they have a kumpir, which is like a potato, and then you can put whatever you want in it. It is really, really good. It's one of my favorites. Nike store, nice. Really nice. My wife's favorite store. Very popular in the US. Madame Tussauds. Yeah, the statues that they do. They have it here in Turkey. Hopefully I said that right. Hopefully I didn't offend anyone. Fourth store. Wow. They are on fire here with real estate.
Yeah.
Another trash service going up. This is a historical building. It's in good shape. This is a busy street right here. You can see people just hanging around in the coffee shops and having food and drinks. I believe that's the Greece consulate right there, embassy. It's coming down. I gotta turn the camera off because this thing is not waterproof. We'll wait till the rain stops. We'll continue, guys.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا
All right, guys, so the rain has stopped. The wind is picked up quite a bit. So we're gonna continue where we left off. And that's the doner kebab place where we were, Pera. Another underground shop right there. Almost like Vegas, where you go in, no windows, no sunlight, nothing to see, just spend your money. That's a new store, haven't seen that before. XO. I don't know why you would want to drive through here with a car. It seems like this is probably the wrong street. Drive through. And this is very common. Well, they'll just park the car with lights, emergency lights, and unpack. I don't know about this place. It looks like this is about a couple weeks old. All right, let's see what else we got. So this one is a breakfast place. Oh, that's a good breakfast right there. This is what a Turkish breakfast looks like. Right here. This is what Turkish breakfast looks like right here. It's amazing. Everything is amazing. And my favorite that I've been addicted to lately is Monty. If you haven't had Monty, it is really, really good. It is like pasta, dumpling, smaller version with beef in it. And it looks like she's making fresh gözleme right there. Let's see what else we got. The name of this place called Authentic. There you go. We're getting closer to the nightlife side of the Taksim Street. It's a new restaurant. I don't recall seeing this before. Food looks good. Another MADO. More baklava. This is definitely from Ottoman Empire. You can tell with the on top with the old Ottoman language that used the Arabic letters. Some kind of a statue, museum, not museum, statue of some kind of historical statue. And that hurt my ear. Simit Saray. That's a bookstore right there. That's a pretty fancy bookstore. I think y'all know these people. And this is another passageway to the bazaar on that side of town. And it goes for quite a bit distance. Right, man?
So it's going to be cheaper.
I cannot seem to find my potato place. It was on the right side. Maybe it'll come up in a little bit. I remember that lady walking with a dog. I think she's a regular here. I see her just about every time I'm here. So you see that dude right there? He's done a hair transplant with a white bandage on the back of his head. Hair transplant is very, very popular in Turkey. Turkey is the number 2 or number 3, depending on who you ask, for medical tourism. You have a lot of people that come here to do a hair transplant. Well, this is a church right here. It's a historical church. San Antonio Church. It was built in 1906. That's some nice jackets right there. Too bad next country we're going to, it's like 90 degrees. Can't have that. There we go. Kumpir. If you haven't had this in Turkey, you gotta have it. This has to be on your list. So you pick they take a potato and they fill it up with anything you want: olives, cabbage, sausage, mushrooms, corn, cheese. There you go. And it's starting to rain again. He mixes the butter and cheese. and sometimes mayo. They eat a lot of mayonnaise here too. That's nothing I've noticed. They eat mayonnaise like it's ranch dressing. There you go. You have it.